Hello everyone. So in this video we are going to solve a question of LeetCode that is valid parenthesis. It is 20th question on LeetCode and it comes under easy category. Alright, so let's start with the problem statement. We have given a string S containing just the characters. So basically we have given 6 type of characters and we need to determine if the input string is valid or not. So there are two conditions to check. First one is open bracket must be closed by the same type of brackets, and second is open bracket must be closed in the same order. So keeping both in mind, let's see the first example. In the first example we have opening bracket and closing bracket. So they both are of same type as well as they are in the correct order. So we will return true from here. In the second example we have opening and closing bracket, opening and closing square bracket, and opening and closing parenthesis. They are in the same order as well as they are of same type. That's why we will returning true from here. In the third example we have opening bracket and closing bracket of another type. So this doesn't follow the condition of same type of brackets, and even they are not in the same order. They are in the same order in terms of closing and opening. So but it doesn't follow the same type of brackets. So we will returning false from here. So let's code the solution. So the basic approach which you're gonna follow to solve this question is that we will be using stack here. So stack is a type of data structure which follows last in first out policy. So let me just initialize stack here. Stack of character, and let's name it stack. Stack is not a keyword, so we can name it as stack here. So stack is stack. Now let's run a for loop to iterate through the string for auto strs. Now let's use switch for our convenience because we have to write lot of if else statement, so it's better to use switch here to avoid multiple if else statements. So switch str. Let's take the first case open bracket. In the opening bracket we will just push it into our stack. So stack dot push opening bracket and just break it from here. Similarly we can do for another condition also. So let me just copy it down and let's just make some changes here. So it's parentheses, let's just put parentheses here, and similarly we can do for a square bracket. So for the opening square bracket we will just push it into our stack. Alright, so now let's just see what we can do for closing bracket. So for the closing brackets we need to check two conditions, like if stack is not empty and stack dot top is equal to the opening bracket of this current closing bracket. All right, if both the conditions are satisfied, then we will just pop it out. Stack dot pop, like we will just remove the opening bracket. So stack dot pop. In the else condition we will be returning false from here, because if the stack is empty and we put the closing bracket, so definitely they are not in the same order, so we will return false from here. All right, so let's just break it from here, and similarly we can write for other closing brackets too. So let me just copy it and just paste it here. So we make some changes to square bracket, and here is the opening square bracket. Similarly we can do for parenthesis. So it's the opening parenthesis here. Yep, I think it's fine. Now let's just check if stack is empty. If stack is empty at the end, then we will returning true from here, because it must have satisfied all the conditions, as will be returning false from here. I hope it should be fine. Let's just run it. If there is an error, let me just clear it out. Yes, yep, it's fine now. Yep, it's fine now. Let's just submit. Yeah, it's perfectly fine. Now let's calculate time and space complexity. So let me just some comments here. So time complexity of our solution is big of n because we are iterating through all the characters of the string, and space complexity is big O of n because in the worst condition we will be storing all the characters into our string. Alright, so that's it for this video. I hope you understood the solution. If you still have any doubt in this question, feel free to comment it down. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.